We're going to put in physical property. Okay, physical property. This we talked about it a little bit yesterday when I showed you the demonstration of the magnesium. A physical property is the characteristics of an object. So we're going to add a little bit. The characteristics of an object that do not change. So the characteristics of an object that do not change, and the part that you don't have to write down, but is also part of it, is unless the object changes. So it's the characteristics of an object that do not change unless that object changes. So you can just write down that part. So, like our magnesium, it is always a shiny metal that is soft unless we make some kind of chemical change to it. Even if we were to cut it or tear it, it is still a shiny metal that is soft because we did not chemically change it at all. So a physical property describes a characteristic about an object that does not change unless it chemically changes it into a new object. Okay, do we understand?
Yeah.
All right, I want to go around and get some examples of physical properties of, let's see, of something in the room. Okay, so each table is going to give me a physical property of something in the room. We're going to start with Riker.
That green light don't change.
Okay, so the exit sign has a green light, right? So that's a characteristic of the exit sign. It is green and it gives off light. Okay, that's actually two characteristics of it. Yes. Sorry, what? Okay, so the fact that the chair is black does not change. So that the property of the chair is that it's black. Okay, so it is black. Yeah. Cabinets can't move. So that one, if I were to like pull up, if I were to like pull out nails and stuff, or screws, I could move them, and it would not change the object. It would still be a cabinet. So in that case, not a physical property because you can move them, and it would not change the object. Does that make sense? Okay. Thank you for giving $1 because that helps having non-examples. What? Cloth. Yes, the flag is cloth. That is a characteristic. The fact that it's cloth does not change no matter what we do with the flag unless we chemically change it to a new object. Okay, we've done this table, that table. What about here? On that, you got something? Let's try the table. Give me a physical property about the table. Some characteristic about the table that does not change about it. We'll give you some time to think. We'll come back to you, okay? Over here, this table. Or okay, we got a volunteer, Zoe. The what? The door is wood. Yeah, the door is made out of wood. Unless we chemically change it, like burning it or something, it will stay wood no matter what, unless we chemically change it. So that is a physical property of it. Good. Look at this table here. Who wants to volunteer? let's go with Raven. The what? Signs are paper? Yes. So those signs are made out of paper. That is a characteristic of physical property of this. Okay, good. Just
The whiteboard is made out of plastic and metal.
okay, yeah. I think it's probably plastic. I think you're right. So the whiteboard is made out of metal and plastic. Those are physical properties, those characteristics of that. Yes.
Or is it like white and blue?
Okay, the colors, the red, white, and blue. Good. Okay. I think we have 3 tables left. Montserrat, you have something for the table yet? Okay, let me hear it. Okay, good. It is round. It's kind of weirdly round, but it is round, and that is a characteristic of it. Very good. Now, back here. Who wants to volunteer? Okay, Alan. Good. Cabinets are blue. Very good. And last one up here. Jackson, let's have you do something. Well, papers are orange. Very good. So, you've seen physical property. One of the very good, easy ones, color, is very easy. That is a physical property. Texture is often a physical property. The way things feel. Like hardness is often a physical property. There's also things like taste, smell, yeah, what it sounds like, if it makes sound. Yeah, so those are all physical properties, they don't change, okay? Other physical properties are like things that you can't see, like what elements are they made of? What kind of mass do they have? Things like that, but we'll talk more about that stuff later. Okay, so we understand physical property?
Here.
Okay, and everyone has it down in their notebook? Great. Okay.